Hello guys, welcome to Adobe Photoshop CC 2025 Remove Tool. Top 3 most important and usable remove steps. The first one is spot healing brush, content overfill, quick mask mode, and use aging, remove wire, or skin retouch, content overfill, removing watermarks, quick mask mode, create brush selection. So let's start our Photoshop to how to use these options tools on photo. So and now let's select a sample photo diesel. I need to remove these watermarks. The most important step, you must select the watermarks by using lasso tool. So if your toolbox looks like this, first you must go to window workspace, select as usual default, and then click here and select your lasso tool. So if you need to select all of these watermarks, you must select the second combination of selection and continue your selection like this. Continue your selection, go back to edit. The most important is content overfill and click OK. So that watermarks are removed, and go to layers, right click, make merge down, and then go to select, deselect. Take a look, there is the shortcut keys Ctrl+D to deselect. So in second way, turn on the quick mask mode, select the brush and select this area by painting the red color of the mask and paint this area. And now also there is another line, hold Alt key on keyboard, zoom in, right click, change the size of the brush cursor and all, zoom out, click again on quick mask mode. So go to select, make inverse, and go to content overfill. So take a look, there is a little bit problem here. So and now you can use your spot healing brush, right click, change the size, and now use this brush tool on line. So press Ctrl+Z, zoom in, change the size by using backspace, mouse click to move, and use here. And so where is another one, and use these and use on these watermarks. Let's see, change the size of watermarks and use these on these watermarks. So let's zoom out and select this icon, camera icon, and now fade. Okay guys, this was the first photo how to remove watermarks from this image.